At Superhairpieces, we have a wide range of hair systems for you to choose from different base materials that have different durabilities, lifespans, and benefits. Each one is unique and ideal for someone. What is also different is the thickness of each system. We have the skin-based units, which are extremely thin in terms of thickness. Our M101, for example, has a thickness of just 8 mils. Our M111, meanwhile, has a thickness of 3 mils, which makes it the thinnest hairpiece in the world. It is extremely thin even compared to an A4 size piece of paper, which is just 4 mils. The HD111 is another thin-skinned disposable hairpiece with a thickness of 3 to 4 mils. It has a hair density of 95 to 100%, which is more than the M111, which has 80% light density. However, some clients have different preferences. This includes our lace or monofilament units, which are more durable. Compared to the skin base, here is the M102, which if we measure, you will see it has a thickness of 19.5 mils, which also means it can hold more hair density as a result. The M100 is a durable monotop with an A-shaped front and a thickness of 7.5 mils. It has a 120% medium hair density and a medium to long durability for those who want a hair system that will last long. The M112 is a mono silk top with poly coating on the perimeter. This particular hairpiece has a thickness of 19.5 mils. It also has a double-folded lace front and a medium to long durability. The M108 is a mono silk lace top that has poly coating on the sides with an overall thickness of 17.5 mils. It also has a scallop front and offers up to 120% medium hair density for those looking for a thick head of hair. The M104 is a mono lace top with poly skin taping on the perimeter with a thickness of 7.5 mils. It has a 1/4 inch of French lace at the front, which helps to provide a more natural hairline. The M109 has a mono silk top with a thickness of 7.5 mils. It has 1 inch of clear poly skin on the taping area. This unit also has 1/2 inch of French lace at the front. The M103 has a fine welded mono lace top with a thickness of 6.5 mils. It has short to medium durability, which allows it to hold medium hair density. The M107 has a fine welded mono lace top with a thickness of 6.5 mils. It has 1 inch of poly baffled edges. It also has a tape tab behind the lace front. While it has short to medium durability, it can still hold up to 110% hair density. The M110 has a super fine welded mono lace top with a thickness of 7.5 mils. It has light hair density with single knots throughout the hairpiece. It is very soft, natural, and delicate, which is why it has short to medium durability. The M105 has a French lace top with 8 mils thickness. It is super soft, natural, and comfortable. It can hold 110% hair density in the front with 100% hair density in the rest of the scalp. Check out 2 of our most popular options for women's hair toppers. The P46 is a hair topper that has a monolace top. It has a thickness of 9.5 mils and can hold medium hair density. Additionally, it has poly edges on the perimeter and lace fronts. The P44 is a hair topper that consists of a mono silk top. It has a poly coating perimeter and can hold medium hair density. Its thickness is 23 mils, which contributes to it being a long-lasting hairpiece. We also offer these bases to our salon clients so their customers can see how it fits and feels. For more information about our various products, please visit our website at superhairpieces.com.